Hello my friend, I'm surrounded by goodies already. Look at what I've got. This is my homemade ice cream. Is just finished. I just finished to cook it, the mix with, and now I'm infusing the oranges and the lemons, and then I will put in the machine and I'm gonna make the ice cream. And so, by the way, I'm in the third day for this event in Lancashire for 6 days, and now I am in the third day. And tonight the dessert will be homemade ice cream with lime and lemon and oranges. Will be poached pears. You see, I'm here peeling the poached pears that I'm making. I've got my pot here, and beautiful. I've got rosemary, got lime, lemons, got cinnamon, beautiful. And so for the ice cream tonight, the dessert tonight also, there is the brownie. The brownie is here in the oven. I don't know if you can see 2 trays here. So is a it's not a trio dessert, it's 4 trio. I don't know how you say four dessert in one. And poached pears, ice cream, brownie, and dark hot chocolate sauce. So tonight the clients will be sit on the table and they can pour their own chocolate sauce on top of the dessert. This is beautiful. And these are my focaccia that I just baked. Look how beautiful, amazing. With this is from the sourdough with tomato and onion, and this is from spinach, with the spinach. And to make the focaccia, I'm using my sourdough ferment, beautiful, natural sourdough ferment, 8 years now, 8 years old. So I have introduced you into this third day event in Lancashire, and also there will be hot dog goujon. I'm gonna transform this in goujon, hot dog goujon in beer butter, beautiful, as a canapé, amazing. Well, keep in touch. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Help me please to develop this channel, and I will show you what I'm doing around as a private chef. And also I will make a lot of video tutorials, and I will share my knowledge that now I'm cooking for 44 years. I'm 51 and I started when I was 6, 7. So a lot of knowledge from Italy with love. Ciao, Giuseppe.